Hey guys, it's Jess, and I'm excited to share a few items from the new Simon Hurley Create release that is being announced today, January 10th. So these items won't be available until I believe mid-February, but we're super excited to share some of those products with you today. This is not the full release, but this is a sampling of items that I received to work with ahead of time so that I'd have lots of inspiration for you guys when the products did become available. So you can see we've got those awesome encouraging sentiments. We've got that super cute stamp set full of birds. That one's called Bird Buddies. And then this one, which has this really super cool birch tree pull apart background. So this is kind of the signature Simon Hurley design where you can pull apart the background stamp and use them individually or all as one. And then we have this really super cool stencil called Leafy Greens. Really exciting. There are 6 new ink colors, and I know you guys are going to love these as much as I do. So there's Piggyback, Minty Fresh even, Guppy. We've got Tropical Tango, Psych. There's just some super fun color names here. Simon always does such a fun job naming all of the colors and keeping them interesting and exciting. So I'm using one of the sentiments from Bird Buddies. This one says, "Shake it till you make it." I thought that was so super cute. So I wanted to basically swatch out all of my ink colors, and I figured, hey, why not make a card at the same time? I did a similar thing to this when the Dudes 2 stamp set first came out, and I liked it so much that I wanted to repeat it here. So I am using the different colors of ink here and stamping them out with an acrylic block. You could do this in a Misty as well, but then you'd have to keep moving the stamp every time, and I just felt like this was the faster way to do it. So I'm using the super cute new ink colors. Now, I don't know if you guys saw this, but my mind immediately went to Mardi Gras with this particular color combination. I don't know, it just screamed Mardi Gras to me. So I think that's really cool to have kind of a built-in color palette of things that you could use or inspiration you can get just from looking at these colors. So I put them all down, I stamped them all at least once, and then I continued my pattern by repeat stamping those colors in the same order that they appeared before. I really, really like the way that this turned out. I got a good mixture of color, and I think it just really looked cute. It brightened up the card a whole bunch. So I thought that I would go ahead and stamp out the cute little, I'm going to call him a peacock. I'm pretty sure it's a peacock. This little peacock stamp from the same stamp set, so that's from Bird Buddies. Just using my mini Misty here and some black hybrid ink because I am going to be doing some alcohol marker coloring with this. Nothing fancy, pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm using my Spectrum Noir Classique markers. These are alcohol based, and I am doing a little bit of blending. So I'm starting with my lightest color and then moving on to the darkest color progressively. So starting with the lightest, moving to the medium, and then a darker color. This is how I pretty much do all of my alcohol marker coloring. I'm going to go ahead and turn a little bit of music on while I finish up the coloring, and I'll be back with you to finish up the card. All right, so now that our bird buddy is all colored in and cut out, I went ahead and adhered our card panel to a white A2 size card base. This is using Simon's Stark White cardstock, and it's really super sturdy. I love that. And I did go ahead and add a little bit of the multi-matte medium or the matte multi-medium. You guys, I seriously can never remember which order those words go in. Anyway, I used some glue and attached it to my card front, added a little bit of a shadow so that it looked like he was standing on some ground and not just floating off in the air. And I think this kind of grounding him really helped to sort of finish off the card. I didn't feel like it looked complete until then, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. Here's a look at the final card. Hope you love it. Be sure to let me know which of these items is your favorite from the new release, and I will see you guys in another video really soon. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Give the video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day, you guys.